Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying exactly where the recording could live, on the phone, in a cloud backup, or with the service provider. Once you have logins and the call's date and time, you log into the most likely account first. Make sure to enable safe access, use a secure network and two-factor codes if prompted. You also document permission status so you don't violate rules. Now that prerequisites are handled, move quickly to the specific storage locations below. You methodically scan local apps first because they're fastest. Open phone, voicemail, VoIP apps, and recording apps, then search within each for date stamps matching the call. Once done, check cloud backups and provider portals. Google Drive, iCloud, and your carrier's VoIP logs often retain recordings. If nothing shows, use a file manager to search common directories by file type and recent modified date. Make sure you download any found files immediately and verify them by checking timestamps and playing a short clip to confirm content. Once confirmed, create two backups, one local and one encrypted cloud copy and record metadata, caller, date, duration, and device. If a recording is missing, escalate. Request logs from the carrier or app provider, inspect old backups, then consider reputable recovery software as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip. If playback fails, try converting the file format or use a different media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.